Hi, this video is part of a 4-part VPS video course that covers why you should be using a VPS, creating a VPS and signing in, loading your MetaTrader platform and robots into your VPS, and creating portfolios up to 32 MetaTrader accounts. Please make sure that you watch these videos in sequence. Hi everybody, Alex Employer from Expert Forex, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the best and cheapest VPS service that you can use for Forex trading. So let's start. What is a VPS? A VPS is a virtual private server, and it is a virtual machine that provides resources that you need for your trading, but the server is located elsewhere. It's like having your own computer, but that it is in another place. So what you would simply do is dial into that computer and use the resources available on that computer, and that is what a virtual private server is, a VPS. So why do we need a VPS? And the reason really is that your account that you have with your broker sits on the broker's server as shown in the picture below. But all your trading, the trading robot, the charts, all that activity, the placement of orders, that all happens on your desktop and your laptop. So when you enter a trade, that information needs to be sent to your broker's server so that it's recorded on your trading account. So there has to be a constant contact between your computer and the broker's server. That also means that your computer has to be on all the time and connected to the internet. And that is where many traders have a problem. They can't leave their computer on all the time, or the internet is unreliable. But if you had reliable internet and you were in the position to leave your computer on all the time, then certainly that is the way you could trade on a continuous basis. But for many who don't have that kind of facility, a VPS is the obvious answer. So what are the main benefits of using a VPS service for Forex trading? Firstly, you are assured of continuous connection to the internet. Now that's quite important. In some places in the world, like South Africa, they have load shedding and the power just goes down at any time, and you need to be connected to the internet all the time. And that is what a VPS service will provide you. It also provides you with high uptime. So in our example where you would keep your laptop or your desktop on all the time connected to the internet, what happens if there's a power failure or something like that? You're in trouble. With a VPS, the uptime is very, very high. In fact, 100% in most cases. The other beauty is that you can access the VPS from anywhere in the world. So if you were on holiday anywhere in the world, you could simply dial into the VPS from anywhere and have a look at what's happening on that computer. Very big benefit for somebody like myself who travels a lot. They can also do automated backups for you, which is not essential, but it is a peace of mind activity. And then the last benefit, as I've just mentioned, is peace of mind, because if you know that the internet's going to be up, your computer's going to be up, you're always going to be connected to your broker's server. You can access the computer at any time from anywhere in the world. That all just says one thing: peace of mind. So the next concern is, what is this going to cost? And that is one of the biggest obstacles to VPSs, is that the high cost sometimes makes them very expensive to use for the average trader. Now, some brokers do provide free VPS services, and you can also get free VPS services from certain institutions. The problem with these are that they often do not have DLL functionality. Now, DLL functionality allows communication between your robots that you're using and the supplier of that robot, and that is sometimes essential, especially if you're using licensed robots. Like in the case of Expert Forex, all our robots are licensed, and therefore you also need to be connected to Expert Forex all the time. Also, if you're using a service like FX Blue, where it is analyzing your account and giving you feedback on that. You also need to be connected to the internet all the time. And then many free VPS services require quite a high volume of trading. So in effect, you are paying for that VPS in the high volume of trading you're generating for the broker. So be careful when you're choosing a VPS. Make sure that they allow the DLL function, and also make sure that you fully understand the extent of trading required for you to qualify for that free package. And that free package is on a continuous basis, so you'll have to trade continuously at quite a high volume. So today I'm going to show you how I sign up for a VPS service. It's going to be the Contabo VPS service. And why do I use that one? Many of our clients on the forum have reported incredibly good service from that particular company. It is a German company, and if you look at the prices involved, and these are Australian dollars, so for $8.49 you get 4 CPU cores. That allows quite a lot of processing to happen. So to continue the course, please click on the next video in the sequence that you're watching. A link to that video will be in the description of this video, as well as in the first commentary of this video.